Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to talk about. Recently, I discovered a new YouTube channel that absolutely blew my mind. This creator has only been uploading for a short while, yet every single video they post is going insanely viral. And when I say viral, I mean millions of views per upload. Can you even imagine that? Not just views, the channel is also gaining subscribers at an unbelievable pace. This really proves something important. This niche is on fire. And here's the crazy part. These aren't just random viral clips. They're specifically targeting a UK audience. Yep, you heard that right. UK views. And as many of you already know, UK traffic is considered premium on YouTube. That means the videos don't just get views. They also have a high CPM, which is perfect for creators who want both reach and revenue. Just think about it, if a new channel can grow so fast simply by posting in this niche, imagine the potential if you do the same. This space is getting hotter every day. Each upload in this niche has the power to reach thousands, even millions of new people. So what's the takeaway here? The opportunity is wide open. This niche is still fresh, trending, and expanding faster than ever. If you're serious about making viral content, growing your channel, and earning from YouTube, this is definitely a path worth exploring. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and insights on how to take advantage of these viral niches and kickstart your own YouTube success story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome updates. You don't have to use complicated prompts at all. Just open ChatGPT, paste the part of your script or screenshot you want turned into a video, and type something like, "I want to make an animated video like this. Please give me 10 prompts, keeping the same character but make it even cuter." And that's it. Once you hit enter, boom, ChatGPT instantly generates a perfect set of animated prompts for you. The results are incredible, super realistic, professional looking, and unbelievably adorable. Honestly, it feels like you're working with a full animation studio, but it's all happening right here in seconds. No need to waste hours brainstorming or testing complicated prompts. With one short request and a screenshot, ChatGPT gives you exactly what you need: ready-to-use, high-quality, viral-style animation prompts. And the coolest part? Every time you use this trick, the results get even better. The characters stay consistent, the designs look more polished, and the overall animation looks like something straight out of Pixar. So, if you've ever dreamed about creating your own full HD, super cute animated videos, this method is your golden shortcut. It's quick, simple, and totally game-changing for anyone aiming to go viral on YouTube or social media. Now it's time to create the boom. Don't worry, I'm not breaking anything. Just kidding. What I mean is, let's make an animated picture so realistic and amazing that it'll blow your mind. For this, I'm using Pickleman AI, and trust me, it's next level. The results are insanely realistic, eye-catching, and always full HD. The best part? No complex settings needed. Just paste your prompt, hit create, and boom, your HD animated image is ready in seconds. And here's the bonus. There's absolutely no watermark. You get clean, professional, full HD images every time. It really delivers what you want. But wait, it gets even better. Pickleman AI gives you 10 free credits every day. That means you can make 10 high-quality animated pictures daily without spending a cent. Imagine having 10 new HD, adorable images every day for your videos, reels, or thumbnails. Sounds unbelievable, right? That's why I love this tool so much. It's fast, free, and the results look like they came straight out of a design studio. Honestly, this is one of the most fun and powerful tools for anyone who wants to make animated content quickly. Alright, now that our images are ready, let's jump into the next step, the most exciting part, Runway ML. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, wait, isn't Runway ML paid? And yes, you're right, it normally is. But today, I'll show you a little trick to use it totally free. First, head over to the official Runway ML website and click Sign Up Free. Here's the secret. Open another tab and visit any temporary email site. You don't need a real email. Copy one, paste it into Runway ML, set a password, add any name you like, and boom, your new free account is ready in seconds. Runway ML recently updated its sign-up system, which now allows temporary emails without any issue. Each new account gives you 125 free credits, and it only costs 25 credits to make a 5-second video. So right away, you can create about 5 free videos. Next, go to the video section in Runway ML, click Upload, and select one of your AI-generated pictures. In the prompt box, describe the motion you want. For example, make this character blink and smile in 3D, or add slow camera zoom with soft cinematic lighting. Then click Generate and watch the magic unfold. Runway ML brings your still image to life, full motion, smooth camera effects, and stunningly realistic animation, almost like 2K quality. Sure, there's a watermark in the free version, but don't worry, we'll remove that later in the editing step. Stick around till the end. I'm honestly blown away by how powerful this tool is. The animation quality, the lighting, the movement, everything looks professional, and you can do it completely free with this method. So, don't waste your money on subscriptions yet. Try the free version first to learn and experiment. It's a fantastic way to create 3D animated clips without spending anything. Oh, and one more thing, Runway ML also includes an AI audio option where you can generate voices for your videos also for free. Definitely give that a shot. Follow all these steps carefully, and you'll be amazed at what you can make today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because this free trick is honestly too good to keep secret. Alright guys, it's time for the final stage. Editing. You can use Filmora or CapCut for it. I will suggest CapCut. Okay, now let's see the result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI video tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.